it's Tommy Stewart again, and well, Tommy Stewart again. Yeah, it sounds like my name is Tommy Stewart again, but it's not. It's Tommy Stewart, believe me. And today I'm talking about a piece of software called Arbimate. Arbimate. I'm laughing at the name because I don't know how they get these names together. Arbimate has been put together by a guy called Cyril Jeet Gupta. Jeet, I think, is a nickname. And it's available from the 27th of February for $47, of which, if you're going to sell it on, you make 50% profit. So, I mean, in effect, you've got two businesses, which is a very good thing, because one, you can make a nice bit of profit out of selling the Arbigate on to other people, or you can use it to make money yourself. This is to do with arbitration, which has been abbreviated. Everyone likes to abbreviate words, don't they? How annoying. This is now called an ARB, A-R-B, and it's an abbreviation for the word arbitration. The simultaneous arbitration, what is arbitration? Let me explain it to you. The simultaneous buying of securities, currencies, or commodities in different markets or in derivative form in order to take advantage of the difference in price, where you make the profit between the two. Now, let me explain that to you in an easier form. I'm a businessman all my life, and it's amazing where you can make profit, because I knew a guy who was an importer, and he imported all sorts of stuff from Hong Kong and Taiwan. And I used to go down to his warehouse, and I would buy jumpers and cardigans and trousers and all sorts of clothing off this fella, and give him his profit, his price, from which he made a nice profit. I would go out there and find people who worked in factories, and I would put the same stuff out to them, and I would put 20% profit on for myself, and they had to put a bit on for themselves also to make it worth their while. That is arbitration. That's how it's done. So, in a manner of speaking, this is much the same thing, but it's a lot easier, because you sat at home and everything is done for you, which is very, very, very nice. I've put together a website here. Let me just bring it up. And in this website, here we are, Arbimate. So what's Arbimate all about? Well, I've just explained that to you, really. This is how people are turning it into a business without inventories. Over 12 million products are currently being sold in Amazon. Hundreds and thousands of these products are being sold parallelly on Walmart. So, what this piece of software does is quite simple. It searches out the same items with different prices. Tells you if one is $5 cheaper than the other. It will tell you who's selling it for $5 less. All you have to do is to buy it. Not buy it, but make a list of it. Put the price on, put the sale, put it up for sale, whatever you're doing, you're selling, knowing that you're going to make $5 when you sell it. That is to say, if you go to the place where it's $5 cheaper and put it up for sale $5 dearer there, you get the difference. Very, very nice profit, because it's a lot of profit, lots of goods. Now with this guy here, I've noticed that there are no bonuses. At least I couldn't find a bonus. I searched and searched and searched, and I couldn't find any bonuses anywhere. Now, if you're not sure about anything, here is a video. Just click on it and it tells you all about it once again. There's not a lot to know, really. And there's a funnel, if you're interested. Funnel, there you are. 47, that's the original price. OTO, 197, 247, 330 a month, and so on. And then down here, well then, I've put 4 bonuses in here to make it really worthwhile. I hope you like my Amazons. This is my favourite one. And that's my tartan, Stuart Tartan, by the way. Okay, so how Walmart plans to battle Amazon. Right, okay. This will be interesting if you're going into this. Walmart can take on eBay, Amazon, well, there you go, says, but Flicklinger. That's a mouthful if you got well drunk one night. Buy Walmart or Amazon, Trading Nation CNB. That's number 3, another Amazon. And my last Amazon, very nice too. Bonus number 4, price check. Walmart versus Target versus Amazon. And there you have it. So, 4 very nice bonuses. And by the way, now if you look below here, if you look below this video that you're looking at now, you will see my domain there, my VDU, Tommy Stewart. If you click on it, it will bring this, all this here up for you, where you can go through it at your leisure and have a read at it once again, play the video, decide to buy it, I hope, and get all those very nice bonuses. I don't think there's anything else to say because it's quite simple really. There's not a lot to tell you. That is it. The software searches out the bargain, searches out the price difference between Walmart and Amazon, tells you where one's being sold cheaper for say $5. You push the one on your wherever you're advertising and make the $5. And if you do enough of them, you make a few $1,000s a month. That's it now, and I'm going to leave you with that. Thanks very much for listening to this newbie here. Maybe one day I'll become a very experienced person doing this. I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.